Video of a senior citizen being attacked in Mumbai. He turned out to be in the Navy at one stage. Madan Sharma has gone viral. A lot of people were deeply offended. The defense minister of the country has tweeted out as well. Madan Sharma, a former chief petty officer in the Indian Navy, was assaulted by members of the Shiv Sena. Several of them are out now on bail. He joins us now as we can play out this video. Mr. Sharma, thank you for speaking to us. Are you feeling a little better, sir?
Yeah, it is okay. From yesterday, it is little improving of my heated portion, but not eyes. Eyes is still red. It is. I think it will take a little more time to get cured. और धुंधला वगैरह दिखाई दे रही है.
Chief Petty Officer, what exactly happened? Why did these men attack you?
They have called me about that cartoon.
Which you had shared, right?
Yeah, cartoon जो share किया हुआ था. I have shared in the WhatsApp, and that I have forwarded to my society.
Right.
I found that cartoon is very good, creative. I feel it is very good to the lesson to the son, mother and daughter. It was creating very good.
And do you believe somebody in the colony, was offended by this and got these Sainiks to attack you? Do you believe that is what happened?
I think nobody has come up with any complaint. But maybe internally somebody has done this and make a group to fight me.
Yeah. Are you disappointed that these men who attacked you are out on bail?
Yeah, I have disappointed too much because they have called me for talking. Instead of talking, they did not talk me and they started beating me from behind and front. Even I tried to run from there, but they caught me and again dragged me back.
What have the police told you? That there will be a case against these men? Obviously, they are out on bail now. Do you believe that it will be a strong case, or do you believe that they'll remain out?
See, after beating, after 10 minutes, they have sent the Shiv Sena again sent the police to my house to arrest me. So they wanted me to threat and don't complain anywhere. In meantime, I contacted my daughter, contact local MLA.
Yes.
Atul ji. Or Rani Dwivedi ji. So they have given me protection on this, and they taken me to the right place for taking action about this. So I become safe.
And Chief Petty Officer, how has the Navy community reached out to you after you were attacked?
They have come up all over the India to supporting me. Our group of retired person, they are taking all action for the incident happened, and they want to support regarding this on this part.
Yeah. And one final question: the defense minister has also tweeted. He said that an attack like this is unacceptable. So, do you have any reaction to this at all? The support that you have received from across India?
Yes. I received so many sympathy, and Mr. Rajnath Singh, Defense Minister of India, has also called me about the same, and they asked me how this has happened, and I explained him. He said, okay, I will support, and I condemned of this incident and support for you.
Right.
At the same time, my commanding officer, Western Naval Command, also called me, and he also sent especially one man for security purpose to go visit to my house, look into my health, and then the man is reported back him. He may be planning to come and join me, see me afterward.
Right. Well, sir, thank you very much, Chief Petty Officer, for speaking to us. And I think it's, I just hope you get better soon. And I hope this nightmare that you went through in your life, that somehow or the other goes away. We're all with you. No veteran should be attacked in this manner. No human being should be attacked in this manner by political goons. Thank you, sir, very much.
One more thing I have to say.
Yes, sir.
I have seen last 1 year so many problem is happening in Mumbai, Maharashtra. I would expect Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray ji, if he cannot control the law and order, please resign and give the chance to other people who can take and control this state.
Right.
Because during the COVID, our country economic is already down.
Right. Sharma ji, I take that message very strongly, and I do certainly hope that you get better soon. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to me.
Okay,
Thank you,
okay. Thank you.